The treasure at the heart of the rose is your own heart's treasure. Scatter it as the rose does. Your pain becomes hers to measure. Scatter it in a song, or in one great love's desire. Do not resist the rose, lest you burn in its fire.
Hello! You have to have a cap or something that it kills you. Ah, that's better. This guy's a tomato head. I'm not.
Ancud is a city in southern Chile located in the northernmost part of the island and province of Chiloé in Los Lagos region. It is the second largest city of Chiloé archipelago after Castro. The city was established in 1768 to function as the capital of the archipelago and held that position until 1982.
So we really haven't seen like dirt all over the place anywhere. It's clean, clean, clean.
We just entered the regional museum of Ancud. The cultural identity and history of the archipelago is unveiled through the heritage value it displays. The significance of the exhibits this museum has managed to preserve give evidence of the part Ancud played in the growth of the island.
I don't think it's a dinosaur. I think it's a whale. Yeah. Look at this. These. Oh, you're welcome. So they found this, actually, this blue whale. They found it dead at the coast. And so they brought it over here. So this is, I guess, the local church. We'll go and have a look. Let's walk into this church. Here we are in a little local park. Beautiful. Connection is so good today. Well, I'm glad. What does it go?
Vale 1.700.
Really eat something? Look at that. Nice pavilion, huh? Oh, Betty says you could get married in a gazebo there.
Oh. Don't give anybody any ideas. You are over the speed limit.
Now you become a regular on ferries, huh, John?
Evidently.
Yeah.
Never seen the top of a truck.
What was that?
I've never looked in the top of a truck before.
You never looked at the top of the truck?
Not much to see.
We're here.
After clearing up the land, the city of Frutillar was founded by German settlers in 1856. Frutillar is a city and commune located in southern Chile, in Chilean Patagonia, within the Los Lagos region. The Bay of Frutillar is placed on the banks of Lake Yanquihue, the largest lake entirely within Chile. Hotel Elune is a comfortable little boutique hotel just 100 meters away from the shores of Yanquihue Lake. The view of Osorno volcano is stunning. Just have a look at my camera's time-lapse photography of the volcano taken from my room. On our way to Osorno, we stopped at several places. One of them was the Güigna National Park.
Turn left in 800 meters.
Puerto Octay is a town and commune located on the north shore of Yanquihue Lake in Los Lagos region in the south of Chile. It was settled by German colonists in 1852. Puerto Octay was an important port with regular traffic to Puerto Varas before the coming of the railway in 1912. Güigna National Park is located in the Andes mountain range in Los Rios and Los Lagos regions of Chile. The park boasts 220,000 acres of natural thermal springs, volcanoes and evergreen forests, after having been expanded in 1950 and in 1981. The park is Chile's most visited national park, with 400,000 people enjoying it each year. Güigna National Park forms part of the reserve of temperate rainy forest biospheres of the southern Andes. You can enjoy different trails in the park. There is the Aguascalientes area, the Anticura area, and Antillanca area, where the trails last from 15 minutes to up to 2 to 3 days round trip. As far as animals are concerned, mammals in the Güigna National Park are the Puma, gray fox, ferrets, wildcats, skunks, and Viscachas. The park is also a bird-watching destination with sightings of the torrent duck, the Magellanic woodpecker, the Chilean pigeon, the Andean condor, the great grebe, the house wren, and the buff-necked ibis.